is the Lion Kid, but today feel free to call me Wade because I'm taking my mask off and putting my thinking cap on as we dive into today's theory of wrestling. One thing I'm often asked is how to insult an audience without swearing. It doesn't matter what you say, what matters is how you say it. So for today, I thought we'd do a little experiment and I've collected random books there. Yeah, I've just collected lots of random stuff, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick it up, pick a page randomly, pick a word randomly, and let's see if I can deliver some truly random, doesn't matter what you say, matters how you say it, lines in heel manner. As someone who doesn't wrestle as a heel very often, if ever, I rarely get the chance to put my money where my mouth is. Let's let the experiment begin, shall we? Oh. I don't know what I'm saying. Okay, let's begin. First thing. Bird and false. That's a false bird, you idiot! This one again, because it's got lots of pages. Past wife. Those are the first words I see. I don't think there's a way you can deliver past wife without your without getting more than heat. let's skip that one because we don't want to upset anyone for real. We want everyone to have fun at the show, not get upset for real about their possibly deceased wife. Okay, done with that book. Now the comic book and the DVD. Odds. I can't read that. Was that poignant? Poignant. Odds and poignant. Odds and poignant. Oh, well, yeah, the whole point of this is to not swear, and I've just swore. Odds poignant! Poignant odds! It's poignant that you're odd. Let's move on. Dinosaur book. There's only like 5 words on this page. First word I saw was but. I suppose it says but why, like the question, but I suppose but could just be like, you know, rear end. Another DVD and random packet of Jofa and all. Random Dove set. Creatures. It's not so hard. This 1, 2, 3. I can't pronounce that. Linalool. Linalool is just a random chemical from the linalool. Creatures linalool. You creatures linalool! You gross, disgusting linalool creatures! Packet of Kitty Crisps and DVD. Train. Salted. Train and salted. Yeah. You salted train! You salted train! You salted train! Not all of these are going to make the final cut. Okay, got DVD and a pot noodle. Okay, elite. Oh, that's a positive word. That's going to be hard. Okay, first word I see from a pot noodle is sauce. Sauce. So many of these sound dirty. You look a few flavours short of an elite sauce. You can't handle elite sauce like me. I'm getting dry throat. Tormented. Shiny. Your shiny head is tormenting me! Oi! Shiny Head! Stop tormenting me! You can stop tormenting me too, Shiny Head! Another children's storybook and an Easter egg that I got left over from Easter, because I don't eat that much chocolate. Right. And first word I see, Smarties. Well, that's too obvious. Cocoa. Your hair looks like dry cocoa! Dry yourself off, Cocoa Head. Oh, actually, let's do this. Water. Toddlers. Water toddler! Shut up! Kids book here. I Have Children, if you haven't guessed. And there's not many words in these books. Bumpy corner. Alright. Well, it looks like you took too many bumps on the corner. Looks like you're the one that took too many bumps on the corner. Washed up! Not washed up! Put your face down! I'm the main event, so keep your eyes on me, Spotties! Maybe I was wrong. Experiment failed.